This is Matt, and this is a video on how to get a free trial of Adobe Illustrator. So first things first, I'm on a page right here. I have a free trial for you in the video description just below this video. If you click on my link, you'll find yourself on a page like this, or very like this, very similar, depending on how Adobe change it. You can see they've outlined how the 7-day free trial works. Right here, they have a 7-day free trial, and they have a 14-day free money-back guarantee after that. So it's essentially 21 days, a full 21 days to try the platform, to see if this is for you, if this is the right tool for you. You can try out Illustrator, and you can cancel your trial at any time. So once you've clicked on my link, you need to click this button here that says Start Free Trial at the very top. That blue button will just wait for Adobe service to load right here, and once it has loaded, we see that Illustrator is selected here, and you can also select the Creative Cloud Pro plan. That includes 20 apps, including Illustrator, but as well as Photoshop, Acrobat Pro. I think Premiere Pro, the video editing tool, is in there. InDesign is in there as well. This, of course, is a little bit more expensive, but just for the purposes of this video, we'll select Illustrator. So this is for individuals. This is the individual price that you see right here. If you're a teacher or a student, there's a really good deal right now. It's actually 75% off that Creative Cloud Pro are doing right now, that Adobe are doing right now. And if you're a business, Adobe also has these business plans as well, if that is you. So going back to the individual one, just to say again about the free trial, it is a 7-day free trial. You don't pay anything. You enter your information here, and you click continue. You enter your information, but you won't pay anything until that 7-day period has elapsed. So it is a free trial. I encourage you to click my link, get the free trial, check it out, see if Illustrator is for you. There's no risk, there's no loss. If it isn't for you, you can just cancel your trial at any time. If it is, you can stick around on a paid plan. Hopefully you have found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.